Now, I'm not entirely sure if people can see my belly or not until I start looking at these videos I make, but I just elected to put a shirt on. So this is the Gundam Barbataurus high grade from Gundam Breaker Battle Log. Never built any Barbataurus kit before until today. Definitely looks very weird, at least for me. It looks like a horsey Gundam, you know. Well, it looks pretty cool. That's why I bought it. Found it at Target. I thought these kits were coming out not until like next year, but someone had told me that I don't know if they accidentally released them early or they just made a mistake and shipped it too early, but it's out and you can find it at your local Target. I don't know where else you can find it, but Target has a lot of them, and when I found them, they're mostly almost sold out. This was actually the last one in that Target that I found it on. I'm no professional. I don't make a living out of reviewing kits or doing YouTube. I'm just, you know, sharing information and stuff. A quick unboxing and a quick review. That's all I'm doing. Nothing insane, no detailed shit like freaking Mecha Gaikotsu or something. I've already taken the wrappers out of the plastics because I don't like ASMR. So I'm just gonna pull this out of the way. Runners. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, and 10. 10 runners. And the manual. So like all high grade kits, they almost should be fairly easy to build. Then again, I've never built a lot of Gunpla yet, so somebody could prove me wrong. Some high grades are like complicated, but you know, if you can follow directions, it should be easy. Be right back after I built this. I am done. So this is what he looks like. This thing came off, I'm sorry. This is the final product. It's breaking down on me. Let me just fix this here. But yeah, that's what he looks like right there. Let me go give you guys a 360 spin right there. Shine a maybe brighter light on them right there. Looks pretty awesome in my opinion. Kind of big for a high grade kit, but not really, and you'll see why, because we're gonna do a quick size comparison with this kit. This is the Vidar right over here. Let me stop that from spinning. As you can see, they're almost similar size. It's just that I think the Barbataurus is slightly taller right here. You know, this is the master grade F90. Compared to him, they're almost the same size height wise, but F90 got a fatter face. That's what he looks like. And the good old Penelope, boom, he just blocks. Let me put him in the background. I'm sorry, hold up. Right there. Fairly tall, not quite as big. Weapons wise, the kit comes with a bow. Focus on that. He's not even focusing. What a douchebag. There you go. It kind of retracts a little bit. If you take this effect parts right here, you can move it pretty good right there. It separates to become like two giant, whatchamacallit, I gotta be careful taking this off. Two giant knives, dagger. They attach together to form the arrow. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like right here once I get it detached. These two daggers right here forms the arrow. So that's where you get the arrow from. Probably got this backwards right now, but that's what it looks like right there. He got a giant dagger thingy. The mace right here. That's one of the weapons. Nothing complicated. All it is 2 pieces, just one giant handle, and then the half of it is right there. You just take that off, and then, you know, it's just 2 parts. And this is the handle right here, where you can hang the weapons right over here on the side, like that. The sword, which is just 1 piece, nothing complicated. They just literally just molded this like a resin kit, I guess. And then, yeah, there you go. Just 1 piece for a sword. Yeah, weapon-wise, that is it. Somebody brought up the tail when I took a picture on Instagram. Yeah, it's kind of weak, but it's just a wire right here. It's nothing crazy, so you can move it, but you're not gonna be holding on to anything at all. Don't put anything heavy in there. This is just basically a wire. Articulation wise, and I've never built the high grade Barbataurus kit, but for this one here, right here, you know, it's got the good elbow bends right there, which is pretty awesome. Same thing here. Nothing gets in the way when you're bending the elbow. Can you rotate the shoulders? Yeah, sure, you can do it. I'm becoming into one of those freaking reviewers. No, I'm stopping myself from doing that. This is not what this channel is for. The legs right there, it bends. It's pretty cool right there. It's fully bendable. Nothing's gonna come off in my opinion. Then again, I'm not really forcing a lot of movements there, I think. Same thing on the back legs right there. Boom, boom. Yeah, so you can do all kinds of poses with this kit. Let me move that out of the way. I do not like this right here, the half V fin that it came with. I would have preferred it had come with the other side, or this just goes into the center. That's just my opinion, but you know, it still looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Probably gonna paint this sometime in the future. Probably next year or something, or maybe even my next one after my samurai or something. Because you can see, he is very cool looking. Definitely very unique. You can take this off. Oh crap, the half right here. I'm gonna be breaking this thing off. This is what it looks like without having the other half that makes him look like a horse right there. It reminds me of a very tall looking person, kid, whatever, like the Slender Man. Yeah, right there. You know, I don't like that look. Put in the other half to make him look like a horse. It's gonna look pretty cool. The other half itself is more like, you know, you're building another kit of Barbataurus without the chest armor and the shoulders. It's just, you know, it looks like that. It's fairly simple, and all you gotta do is bend it over like that a little bit, and then there's an attachment right over here where you attach the kit to make him look like the Barbataurus right there. As you can see, it's pretty stable. No matter what I do with it, it's still gonna stand by itself. But if you want to get some dynamic poses for the kit, it never hurts to have a stand to put in. Let me hold up. Let me go attach the weapons again here. All right, got that assembled. Let me try to zoom in there a little bit. Finally got that assembled again. Overall, it was a pretty fun, fast build. The only reason that it took me a little bit longer is because I was sanding it and taking off the nub marks. To me, at least, you know, my standards are pretty low when it comes to Gunpla kits. But overall, it was a fun build for a high-grade kit. Definitely has a lot of details, but that's, of course, holds pretty true to almost all the IBO kits. It's fairly simple. It's nothing complicated, and the overall finished product is pretty awesome. I know this is not a very detailed look at the kit. I'm not all about that. I just wanted to show like what it looks like, for like a quick review of the kit, or what you're supposed to expect when you find this kit. So that's it for me. I'm done. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Buy this kit if you see it at Target. You won't regret it. Bye.